folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today, I want to show you a bit of the 2018 Bay Area Maker Faire.
Barb Makes Things!
Preface, links for all the things that I have links for will be down in the description. Sort of. If you attended the Bay Area Maker Faire and weren't exhibiting, you might not have seen it looking like this. This is what it looked like Thursday while people were starting to set up. Bubbles though. Always bubbles. I find myself increasingly busy at Maker Faire, whether it's finishing a project or staffing the crash space booth or getting to talks I want to see and meeting new people, so I don't get to see everything or get footage of everything. But let's see what I can show you. Hey, look who's here!
Hey! It's a 3D printing professor, and I finally get to meet Barb.
Finally get to meet you! What's your favorite thing you've seen so far here?
Well, you, obviously.
Aw.
But second favorite. I hate to do this because I feel like I'm betraying like my roots. But Dremel's doing a really good 3D printer. It's a little bit expensive, but their user interface is really good. And I got to talk to their engineer, and he is as big a nerd as any of us, man.
There's always a very elaborate Lego booth in the expo hall, and they did not disappoint. One of the very coolest things there was this modular marble machine. My understanding is that different people assemble different modules of this, and then they put them all together here, which is very impressive. Speaking of marble machines, check out these 3D printed motorized ones. The people I talked to said they're hoping to have the models available soon. There were some neat 3D printed model engines whose files and instructions are freely available online. The Evil Mad Scientist Labs folks had microscopes so you could look at chips close up, which was fascinating. David Shorey had a booth showing how you can 3D print on fabric to do some really cool cosplay stuff. I loved all of them, but especially like this design that's held together with paper clips. It's all so exciting and I really want to try it. Add it to the list, right? David also did a talk about this technique. Speaking of talks, there is always this pull on me to go see as many talks as I can, but if I watched everything that I wanted to, I would do literally nothing else. So here's hoping recordings get posted. I saw both of the talks Laura Kampf did. Gaver Tully also did an inspiring talk about his experiences with tinkering and education, which is what Rediscover's tinkering program is based on. This is my 5th year attending the Bay Area Maker Faire, so I've seen it change over the years. I've seen some recurring projects progress. This year was different from past years. Things moved around. There was less of some parts. The darkroom was much smaller. So there was this super cool PVC pipe structure. Steam and water, it was very cool. Maker Education had a larger space to work in, and that room was watched over by a balloon dragon, built on site during the fair. I always love it when there's actual making happening at Maker Faire. Feels like there should be, right? All right, finish this video.
Oh,
yes!
yes!
We gotta move.
Oh,
Look how it is!
keep moving around.
It's great!
It's moving features. This isn't just one of them, it's 24 of them a second.
Dremel had a booth showing off their 3D printers and laser cutter. I did a little interview with Anouk Reprecht about our CrashBot. CrashBot you can see in last week's video, by the way. One exceedingly cool thing was Project Ember's mobile woodshop. Not even gonna talk about this, just gonna show you. After the fair on Friday, there's a great big paella dinner, which is a good opportunity to socialize. So was the Hackaday meetup Saturday night at an Irish pub. As always, it's an event that makes me think and imagine and create. It was great to get to share what we've been working on and meet a bunch of people. Thanks to everybody who came by the booth to say hi. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.